Welcome to the sixth episode of Market Visit Verdict. I am at the South Extension Market today. It's the 2nd of June 2026 and it's around 4 o'clock in the evening. One theme that I'm observing increasingly is the fact that there are these mid-season sales, summer sales that are visible now across markets, and footfalls are about 5 out of 10, and the outlets are being compelled to introduce these sales in response to the perhaps lukewarm consumer enthusiasm. Something unmistakable that one can observe across different markets in the city over the past 10 years, even more so in the past 2 to 3 years, is the formalization of the jewelry segment and a whole lot of branded jewelry outlets coming up, and South Extension Market has in the recent past also shown the same characteristics, and we have a line of prominent branded jewelry outlets, especially some which have come up in the past 1 year, and the same pattern has been observed in various other markets in Delhi as well. And one hypothesis can be that this is basically the formalization of the jewelry sector, and people moving at least to some extent to branded jewelry as their preference. The other part, of course, is the fact that we are looking at a newer generation, and probably the younger generation is more conscious of the brands, and they tend to be more conscious of and aware of the branded jewelry that is available. Another pattern that I'd like to add is the fact that maybe in the recent past jewelry is increasingly inaccessible, but the alternative to that is a lot of imitation jewelry, a lot of bling, as it's called colloquially, and we are having increasingly consumer preferences being demonstrated in the form of this bling, shiny stuff, either in the form of imitation jewelry, or I've also now noticed it finally in the case of footwear and accessories, so handbags and footwear being endowed with or adorned with shiny stuff, mirror work and things like that. And again, this blingy trend is something that can be noticed. I was earlier on the part 2 side. Part 1 side is even more dull as far as footfalls are concerned. However, what one can note is the fact that especially on the part 1 side, it seems to have developed into a student coaching hub, and I could spot one particular institute that was also in existence probably around 30 years ago, which is a Arena Multimedia Institute, and now there's a lot more mushrooming of institutes, coaching institutes, especially in the domain of IT, and so that's what has developed over the decades. So us Indians do seem to have a soft corner for education, coaching. There's always some scope for some kind of formal, informal training that we Indians seem to be interested in and believe it's a good utilization of our money. What all did I eat? I had Rajma rice at Gupta restaurant on the part 2 side, and part 1 side I had some chaat and golgappe. One highlight that I would like to add is the fact that there was this German World Cup, FIFA World Cup jersey that was on display at the Adidas store in South Extension. So that was something new, something interesting.